Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we'll be installing our H7 SL2 Pro bulbs in this 2012 Volkswagen GTI. Let's get started. Open the hood and locate the dust cover at the back of the headlight. Next, take off the dust cover to access the OEM headlight bulb. Then, grab the bulb assembly by the tab, rotate it counterclockwise, and gently remove it. For this installation, you can choose between our SL2 or our new SL2 Pro LED replacement. For this install, we'll be using the SL2 Pro. With the assembly removed, disconnect the OEM halogen bulb and install your new LED replacement. Now, reinstall the bulb assembly into the housing and rotate clockwise until the bulb clicks into place. Once the bulb is secure, repeat these steps on the other side. With both bulbs installed, test for function, then reinstall the dust caps. As you can see, this install takes under 10 minutes and provides a significant increase in light output while retaining the factory beam pattern. If you're interested in picking up some SL2 Pro bulbs for your ride or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.